How to create a new document with Advantage VBM. Right-click the document list and select New Document from the pop-up menu. The preferred template for this category is the Microsoft Word Professional Letter. Enter keywords in the subject. For this category, select the communication type as Letter. Enter a title for your new letter. Your new document is created based on the template. This template has embedded fields which VBM automatically updates through the document's properties. Click Close, and save. Double-click the new document in the list to open it again. To create a blank spreadsheet document, click the Excel icon on the toolbar. The default template is now Microsoft Office, Excel. A new blank Excel document is created. Creating templated documents, or Microsoft Office documents is so easy with Advantage VBM.